What if you could simplify your daily tasks with just a few clicks? Today, we explore automating routine tasks using ChatGPT. Many professionals struggle with repetitive tasks. You may find yourself creating the same checklist or writing meeting notes repeatedly. ChatGPT can help automate these processes, making your work more efficient. First, let's set up a ChatGPT workflow. Choose a task to automate. This could be generating checklists, creating SOPs, or summarizing meeting notes. Define your structure list tasks for checklists, outline steps for SOPs, and note key points for meetings. Now, input your task into ChatGPT. Use clear prompts. For instance, to generate a checklist, type, "Create a checklist for your task." ChatGPT will provide a structured list. For SOPs, ask "Outline the steps for notes," ask "Summarize the key points from this meeting." The output saves you time significantly. Automating these tasks reduces the chance of errors. Consider a manager who automates meeting summaries. They can use that extra time to brainstorm new projects. Define your tasks, structure prompts, and generate results. You'll find that ChatGPT streamlines your workload. To summarize, we've learned how to automate routine tasks using ChatGPT. We defined our tasks, structured prompts, and generated valuable outputs. Start using ChatGPT today for your automation needs. Embrace the efficiency it brings. In the next video we will discuss about ChatGPT plus tools, Notion, Zapier, Google Docs. Stay connected with us. Thank you.